Hello, content creators. Creating effects and animations is fun, but it does take a lot of time. As a fellow video editor, I have a solution for you. To save time and create professional-looking videos for your clients and make money, this Toko graphic pack is for you. I will go through all the categories of this pack and mention the tools you can use not only to save time, but also to impress your clients and make some cash. Let's jump in. Now, after you purchased the pack and downloaded it, you just open it and then run the Toko installer. Now, if you go into Davinci Resolve under Titles and Video Transitions, you will find the Toko installed effects. You will need to make sure to install all the fonts in order for the pack to work 100%. I have added a file in the description containing all the fonts you need. Now let's see what this pack can do. So let's say you have a cooking channel. Let us use a typography effect just before the video starts. So under Titles, Typography, you can view the previews here. If the previews don't work, simply click on these three dots and make sure Hover Scrub Preview is ticked. Now let's look for a cool effect. Oh, and you can customize almost everything. On the right side, you can edit the text, color, opacity, and group control. The group control is where you can individually move elements around the main effect. This is just one of many options. The Toko pack contains a large number of backgrounds. Change the colors and let your imagination run wild. You also have social media elements where you can add a variety of different graphics for social media. You can of course change the values and modify the look the way you want it. There are tons of options to choose from. There is also some epic titles to make videos more engaging. But what if you want lower thirds? Well, you have that too. I am going to add some of the examples to footage to demonstrate. Next, we have big titles. So grab a coffee and experiment. One of my personal favorites is the kinetic titles. They have some pretty rad animations. You also have some kinetic posters, which you can change where needed. The shape elements are handy when you want to draw the viewer's attention. Also some cool animated icons to express emotions. As well as interface items. There is a number of gradients to use. Next, we have some really cool callouts you can use. If you're looking for infographics, the Toko graphics pack provides you with animated infographics. Ever wanted to create a text message effect? Well, you can easily add them to your projects. There are also some good phone graphic elements to choose from. There are also logo reveal elements if you want to create a cool intro. One thing I also love to use in client projects is smooth and modern transitions. Toko Graphic Pack does not disappoint. There are 3 types of transition categories: flat, camera, and overlay. Ever struggled with glitch effects? There are colorful and black glitch effects. I love these. Last but not least, sound effects. There are 600 sound effects included in this pack. Bubbles, dada, whooshes, clicks, and so much more. I hope you enjoyed these demonstrations. Thanks MotionCan for the collaboration. See you next time, content creators.